the cake, too sweet to be bitter. Pretty girl, where the hustle is a winner. Gotta keep a big bag, I'm a spender.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video, sis. So I'm taking my Beetles foundation base coat and I am going to put a coat of this all over my fingers, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. The colors I'm using today are 806 and 808, and they are from the Beetles More Than Muse collection. And I'm putting 806 on my pinky, my middle finger, and my index finger. And I will be putting 808, which is the darker purple plum, on my ring finger and my thumb. Okay, so now time for what I'm pretty sure y'all came to this video for. So I'm taking 808 and I'm just trying to scoop some out on my palette, and honey, this spot is just thick and it want to come out. But I'm going to be using my Beetles design liner, and this is the smallest one. It's the 5mm, I believe. I'm trying to show y'all how, like, the size of the actual bristles, but it's a little out of focus. But anyway, we're going to take a thin layer of our base coat, whatever base coat you're using, and you're going to put that over your nail, but do not cure. So now you go into your polish and you just make short strokes, long strokes. It don't even have to be strokes, you know, it could be like a little dot or whatever. But the goal of this is to basically use the base coat as a blooming gel. So it's gonna spread it out over time, and you can see as I'm doing it, it's still kind of like separating or whatever. And then you go on the side and you just add little dots in between where you put the lines on the top of the nail, and just do it to the other side. And you know, it's really easy, y'all. Like, it's not hard at all. It's very easy. And don't worry about getting polish on your skin, because you probably are. Just clean up afterwards. And this is a design that you don't have to be like really neat and precise with your lining and your strokes, because in my opinion, the messier it looks, the more realistic. You know, like when you look at a crocodile, his scales are not perfect. So, you know, just make it your own. I love adding bling to my nail set, so now I'm going in with these crystals I got from Amazon, and they are really pretty. Like, the reflecting these are just beautiful, and I felt that it really went with the colors that I chose for my nail set. And now I'm going to be using this Pimpe Point Drill Gel, and y'all, when I tell y'all, this gel, like this rhinestone glue, whatever you want to call it, it's the business. When I use this glue, basically that's the only glue I use now, but my gems don't pop off my fingers. Like, they stay until it's time for me to do my nails again, and that's what we love to see. So yes, now I'm just using different sizes of those AB crystals just to make this little design go up the side of my nails. Now I'm going to use my Born Pretty pigment powder, and don't mind the H, it's just for me to identify that this is a holographic powder. And I'm going to take the applicator that it came with, dip a little bit into the jar because a little goes a long way, and then just start rubbing it on the sticky layer of my ring finger. After I'm done putting the pigment powder on my nail, I'm going to use this little brush and brush the excess off because I'm going in with my rhinestone glue. Again, I don't want to transfer any particles onto those bristles. And I also used the Beetles matte top coat to matte all my nails except for my ring finger. Now I'm taking my Cucutio cuticle oil and I'm going to apply a drop to my cuticles and rub it in. And y'all, this scent right here smells amazing. Like, it just smells so nice. And these are the final results, you guys. I am obsessed with this set. Like, it's just so effortless, and the reflect on this ring finger is popping. But you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.